Vishwa Bharati University, located in Birbhum, West Bengal, has received an overall rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. How are the MSc courses here? Let's find out in this detailed college review, starting right off with the placements rated 3.6 stars. According to the NIRF 2024 report, 1,869 students graduated from the 2-year PG program in 2022-23. Of these, 814 students secured placements, while 768 students opted for higher studies. Students report that recruiters such as TCS, Arcadis, Mahiko, DuPont Pioneer, Bayer, Syngenta, and Biocon, along with WBSCC, WBSC, and ICSC schools, as well as environment research centers, actively hire from university. Top roles offered include teachers, analytical chemist, horticulturist, and production manager. The median package offered as per NIRF 2023 stood at 6 lakh per annum, reflecting a 43% increase compared to 2021. In comparison, while Vishwa Bharati offers better packages than Kalyani University, it still needs to catch up with Vidyasagar University in terms of offered median packages. As for internships, while some students secure opportunities at ISRO and BARC, while others report having to find internship independently. Moving on now to the academics, where Vishwa Bharati University offers a 4.2 rated MSc program with 21 specializations, including biotechnology, animal science, and yoga. The eligibility requires an honours graduate with admissions based on Vishwa Bharati admission test scores. Except for biotechnology, for which admissions are based on GAT-B, entrance conducted by the Regional Centre for Biotechnology, Faridabad. As for the cost, the total fees for the 2-year program ranges between 12,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees, depending on the specialization. Merit and merit-cum mean scholarships are available for eligible students. Moving on now to the infrastructure, which has been rated 4.2. Located in Shanti Niketan and Sri Niketan, Birbhum, West Bengal, the university spans 1,129 acres and plans to set up a satellite center in Ramgarh, Nainital district, Uttarakhand. The Shanti Niketan campus hosts major institutes such as those of fine arts, performing arts, science, and humanities. The Sri Niketan campus, on the other hand, emphasizes rural development through institutes of rural reconstruction and agricultural science. Students benefit from well-equipped classrooms, research labs, seminar halls, computer labs, and campus-wide Wi-Fi. The campus also includes various farms for agricultural and scientific activities. Accommodation is provided in 25 hostels across both campuses. Additionally, students have access to sports facilities including football, a swimming pool, athletic fields, and gymnasium, along with on-campus medical services. Turning to faculty and course, rated 4.4. Students commend the supportive and highly qualified faculty members. They actively conduct special and remedial classes while also guiding MSc students in preparing for competitive exams such as ICAR, JRF, and SRF. Students also participate in weekly seminars where they present recent research advancements that are evaluated as part of their learning. Additionally, collaborations with IIT Guwahati, IIT Kharagpur, and BARC significantly enhance research opportunities. Moving on now to the campus life, rated 4.6 stars. The campus life here is lively with celebrations including Sri Niketan Utsav, Posh Mela, Basanta Utsav, Ratindra Krishi Mela, and Anand Bazaar, along with regular seminars and workshops that keep students updated with industry trends. Lastly, Vishwa Bharati University is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on Vishwa Bharati University and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.